In this digital world, it is essential to understand the components of the computer system. To know more about the main components of a computer system, you are welcome to Rain Computer, a nutrient of virtual life. Computer system consists of input devices, output devices, and the secondary storage device. There are four key components in a computer system: CPU, the central processing unit; internal hard disk drive, that is the HDD in short; random access memory; and the read-only memory. CPU interprets and executes commands from the computer hardware and software. It is a part of the computer motherboard. Hard disk drive is an internal storage. It stores application software, disk operating system, and other files. The main advantage of HDD is fast data transfer. Random access memory is an internal chip. It stores data temporarily. While we're running some applications, the data is stored, that is your application are stored temporarily in the RAM for the faster access. Read-only memory is also a chip and stores the information that needs to be permanently stored in your computer. It contains the files such as the boot file, that is the BIOS, and this chip is called CMOS, which is battery powered. CPU is made up of a small discrete components and numerous integrated circuits. These circuits are combined together on one or more circuit boards. With the modern manufacturing techniques, CPU are referred to as microprocessor. However, microprocessor is a single integrated circuit found in the heart of most PCs, household devices and equipments, where some control or monitoring is required. Here is a block diagram of the central processing unit, that is your CPU. It includes a control unit and ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. And this CPU communicates with the memory, the memory unit to fetch and to save the program. It also gets the input from the input devices and displays the output in the output device. So this is how the central processing unit works. Coming to hard disk drive, the most basic drive consists of several disk platters. It is a circular disk made up of either aluminum, glass or ceramic materials that are positioned around a spindle inside a sealed chamber. The picture shows a hard disk drive. The platter spins with a motor that is connected to the spindle. Random access memory is a volatile memory, which means it does not store data or instructions permanently. When you switch on the computer, the data and instructions from the hard disk are loaded into the RAM. That is, when you start a program, your processor gives a command to retrieve the program from the hard disk. Once the files are retrieved, the computer needs a workspace to manipulate the data and allow you to interact with it. This digital countertop is your RAM. Your computer places your program in RAM temporarily while you are working with them, so that the processor can access that information faster and more easily. RAM has two main attributes that affects your computer's performance. They are memory capacity and speed. Here is the picture of a random access memory. Read-only memory, it is the complementary metal oxide semiconductor, CMOS, is a small amount of memory on a computer motherboard that stores the basic input-output system settings. The BIOS is the software stored on the memory chip on the motherboard. It instructs the computer on how to perform a number of basic functions such as booting and keyboard controls. The CMOS is a coin-shaped CR2032 cell battery referred to as the CMOS battery. In this, we can identify from the letter C in the CR2032, C signifies the lithium battery is used, and R denotes it is a round-shaped battery. So in general, we can say that lithium coin cell batteries are used. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. See you later.